Okay, so welcome, and we just got in the game. This is the beginning of the game and the spawn point, and as you can see, wow, he really wants us. As you saw that he was chasing us, the zombies chasing us, the health bar went down, and as you see, we start off with an axe, and you could switch weapons. Let's look at the different weapons that are. So this is the axe. Then you could change to a revolver. And as you move, like we talked about earlier, when you shift and run, the stamina bar, if you notice on the top or on the bottom right, it goes down. And let's go here. Oh. So that zombie's dead. Let's try to find a different weapon. Okay, let's try this weapon out. Let's try out this one. And we could try out this. For this, you have to right click to zoom, and that's how you do it. And then let's look at the bow. And then same with the bow. I like that. I can use the axe again. And then if we want to see what goes on if our health bar goes to 0, let's see what happens. Oh, we have a lot of health. And I also added a little hint on the top right where you could switch weapons from 1 to 6. I'm just waiting to see what happens when the health bar goes to 1. Oh no, he almost got us. Now, this basically means that we died, and if we had any materials on us, say if we were to farm or anything, we would have lost all of those materials. And you respawn with, minimal equipment, just your weapons, but you respawn with a full health bar and stamina, and which means that basically you have to play the game over again. And yeah, this is the game that I made for my final project. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.